the first video I taught you the basics of HTML. Now I'll be teaching you how to insert a link, how to add a link, and how to add colors in the text file. So let's start the program. Okay, this is the basics I taught in the first and second lecture. Now adding the head. Then the title. Let the title be URL. Now close the tag. Now I will add colors. Now what will be the syntax of adding colors? How should I write? So let I want to add color to the background. Okay, so how should I add? Instead of just writing body, I will not close the tag here. Okay, what is the initially I taught you that we will be simply adding the opening tag, then the closing tag in the body. But for adding colors, what do you have to do? In this beginning, here in the beginning, we have to add some more codes. Okay, what I have to add? I have to add style. Okay, I have to add style that is equal to background color, that will be then column, choose any color, let be pink. Okay, and then close it. Different. This is how I will create a canvas of pink color. Okay, now next thing, I also added h1 h2 in the lecture 2. Here I will add color in h1 and h2. Okay, here also same, give a gap there, style equal to color, and color will be in columns, let be blue. Okay, closing it. Before that I have to give a semicolon also, and let the text be chocolate. Okay, now close it. Yes, now this is okay. Let's check some more colors. Okay, I am copying this, and copy this and will paste in the next line. Just change the color. If you want, you can give some more colors also. Okay, let it be green. Okay, fine. I am using these three only. I can add more also. This is how we'll add a color. Now I am saving the file. Okay, let's open the codes. This blue chocolate is this one, red one and green one, and you can see the title one also. Okay, this is how and you can see also some background, it is pink color. You can change the color also. You can change this to yellow also. Now save the file, refresh this. Okay, how to add the color? This is very easy. This is how we'll add colors. Now the next thing is how to add a URL. Okay, for that we have to use ahref. Guys, remember this thing. This is the tag ahref. A tag is used along with that href tag. That is equal to. Okay, that is equal to. Now we have to insert some link here. So I've already found a picture. Let's right click here, go to copy image address. Okay, paste it here. Okay, that's fine. Now close it. but then you have to mention what should you write there. Let you want to add some text here, that is you are welcome. Okay, I'm closing it now. The A tag will be closed now. /A. Okay, fine. I've added a link here. Now just save the file. Check the changes in Microsoft Edge. Okay, just if you want to click this. Got the picture? This is how you should add a link in HTML coding. So what are the things that I used today? There are, initially I used the basic, the HTML title. I am leaving those things. What extra I add today? That is A tag, then style. If you want to note, you can note down these things and use it in making some different things. Okay, I used. If you will not practice these things, then it is too difficult for you. But if you practice, then it is very much easy. Background color. Okay, this much I used today. Okay, thank you for watching my video. I'll teach you the next concept in the next video. Okay, thank you.